So.
We that bedroom. Entino. Wabe ni die. Ena me Jimmy din say President bi no abetina Ghana amemmu so a amanfo susu bone eso pa no a said the Bible say yedi Yesu nyina na enso so wantintesuo Nana Akufo-Addo a ehuna mane okugye to nsem ene Sam George ene na fefo nsem so ti ase but omunkan hunu say unyini a yensire okwaku
Yeah.
Nana Addo say 81 or say 82 years share okugye to ablakwa hwe wumfie ebia edimu gina okra na ebia de obeche Nana Akufo-Addo ebia wotenten but mumienu nyina no
Eno
age difference
obekuma later obekuma na do de tie no ti o.
So enti na montra odi ni nyina no hwe me na I was saying say oh the course we are ye nyina no enye de sebi akra bi afrim but say sad we see NPP address wa there is no way Sanka President Mahama be da we were say oh the American me but there are so many examples no one you could see say that is what could have happened Senka isi na Akufo-Addo abrɛ so a ɛna nyame nso so anya de ama na amasa ntoku je to de ne ntro keka ye ɛne ɔno ano ye friend sɛ nsɛm ɔkeka ye nyina no unse asa dane abɛhwɛ no because you say the Ghana phone say oni integrity because o integrity pa by now kwa resigning as a minister because obi a clearly ultimate say President Mahama ba na say or obi afa private jetter you resign as a minister and you are not just any minister, you are a foreign affairs minister.
Yeah.
You serve as the link between Ghana and the diaspora. And you cannot tell us say obi back of a private jet abra Emma or auspices, Emma or office, Emma own sanction and I say near Kwani Dieba. Into one Kassan he has shot himself in the foot. Into one he doesn't have any locus going forward. Now I'm praying say NPP as a party could get somebody or no near the hard junior or no dear at say a player be yes we tackle number 9 and I said tackle number 6 no and tackle your park kujeton kwa on show kujeton sem kwa no or koni constituency a we hunu time obetu ohunu baby so ko vulcanize akra ko pompini tire ohunu baby obu ni petrol on share liters obeto on share you know yeah monitor and said yeah because it got to a point in time and he was putting the office of the president at risk.
Oh yes.
But you could go to the extent of even giving out flight number. Even baby obakoda amount for Mudinachi, Skawadi Kuninano, which was very dangerous to your friend say Ghana politics. Because say Nyame and Fasa Mananka, Nana Kukuta Rinka Bikoto na. And Komaino, what would have happened to us? Because Osho Mumantra Nana, they wanted a way, say, if they hadn't won the 2024 elections, the best option to them or alternative to them, they say they would have maybe gone for a coup d'etat or something else. Because as many dance, no one be the dance here. President Mahama Besi, and before or Tony Safro Muninano, they've one way or the other gone through a coup before. We even have Ibrahim Traore, Oba, a democratic country. You know, we elected our president, we elected our leaders via the ballot box. Now, or the two, and the Ashen Huaba. Obi and so no, or like I visit all these people. So what was he telling us? In Jakunyandie, onfa. Maybe a Jacob Nansu dear so no. A Jacob na. I say a beer NPP time no. Okuje too. And President President Rollins be say babies with sharp teeth. Okuje too. Felix Ofosu Kwache. Sam George, Roxy Nelson Dafiamikpo, Dela, Samuel Honto, Kevin Taylor, anyone market Kenyano, Ghana penifo da Sopa Ghana penifo ni NPP penifo no. Ebi a Jacob na that time sebi nebi ana asa washe na 21. I remember one time because hunu Felix Ofosu Kwache wo Mfansi Pimechi o hotel bi we friend no Ridge Royal say Royal Ridge. Yakoye program bi on ekoda me hu Felix of Sukwa Chinam say ah nti akoye pa na timi di President Akufo-Addo ne mpanifo atempa no because me hwe ni state chakra gina like me mo dukra eh chain. I was so surprised. You know that they say Motor Ridge Royal or Royal Ridge. I want fancy people Cape Coast. Unya tra mo ri. O tra e friend say is it Ghana National say Agri Memorial na no wa branch off our left. So if you are crying ekwa sa hotel no no. You know. What can say ma enim. Emma even Kevin Taylor. Etimi di atema I say ono de sebi we nyansabo akwa na sebi ono nso so de ase Ghana na de amane se onte Ghana onte ka no mfa enti NDC for party say anase Jacob na mo party say at that time ana Kevin Taylor this atem na Twini Jonas Mudi atem no na oni TikTok oni Facebook account na oni like onko YouTube oni Instagram oni Twitter oni all the socials you throw bin so bongo ideas all those times no enti Jacob na was telling us say these socials no onko so ana and he cannot tell us as a media personality untimi nya adwuma as a journalist abra woni Facebook account woni your friend is a Twitter account and as if you are even TikTok if you are on TikTok I might pardon him yeah New Hampshire
some Ghanaians and make it media personality now. They don't qualify to be a media personality because none of them are international coverage. How about YouTube Live? Okay? And we are just a crash of buggers. That's all.
But suffice to
media
say
personality for what reason?
May find suffice to say a media landscape, no? That is how we classify them. Until let's take them as such. So because the entire maker say Peace FM for omo ye programmer ana UTV ana say OKFM. Sometimes omo read the comment socials. And definitely ohun de ekoso ne de eba. And when ina no at that time no went to me and to friend say Okuje Tofo went to me and to Sam George for to the extent that even Sam George at the point was endorsing Twini Jonas said the warrior no he's saying the blunt truth and he needs to be commended on a national television obia am from to book na sebi na ya ubisa won say Nana Akufo-Addo ene NPP mpemfo no mu di o matam ne de sebi o mu de yeto o mu se kosua na ya nche mo mo ana sebi o mu de o mu ni ebusuani so o mu ni ebusuani o mu timi esopa o mu de di o matama eno de na ye normal because President Mahama Akache say the NDC as a party no was born out of violence. So when it comes to unleashing violence, no one can beat them to it. And people were laughing. People were clapping for you. We had the likes of Professor Jampo. We had the likes of policy think tanks, Imani Africa. Is it Franklin Kujo? Any of the likes. Your friend is a TV3. John Hughes on the Ose, on the Tibrofo, on the Okuta Masters or call your friends a game post or call Ghana Institute of Journalism, GIJ, when you say first class or whatsoever. O mind me and day, o mind me and condemn you. Even a Jacob Nakra, then our own future, and now a Kwame Sefakan, Sam George, a Kosopa, no could did in a mobile station, Kwame Sefakan Kachen is or Shannon, Sebi in Common Bemuno. Then idea or no Sammy Jamfino say, Ubia Casamania into no air some independent court or no China damages so independent to us $100,000. No, says can you some a friend is a some no then no can create any do. Emi the pass a few as niggas also air to money Canada pa. So because mama politics nice wow no ya what would you temono? Una unim politics here. Because and Obiti say me Obiti say educatia. Like Oba and Puecha, any in seven for time, near boy my way there, or the politics for what sense? May I keep on saying, say, the man, Ghana, your political landscape, changing from the attempt to policy based. Hey, your friend say, the vice president, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, because coming up, all that I see is say, excuse my words, where are Santini, where are Munani, where is Srimni, where are Fantini, where are Bununi. But
Okay.
doctor came into the picture and he changed the narrative.
Swag boy.
Even Senya Ghana for na sebi, yeah, I say,